Have you ever seen the world's largest pile drilling machine with a drilling depth of 190 meters? The XR1600E model pile drilling machine, produced by XCMG, has broken the world record with a drilling diameter of 7.5 meters and a drilling depth of 190 meters. The machine's rotary drilling tower has a height of 42 meters and a weight of 520 tons. The power head output torque of the pile drilling machine is 1600 km, and it is produced to be used especially in large-scale construction projects, such as offshore wind energy plants and super high buildings. Would you like to watch this machine in operation? Don't forget to express your thoughts in the comments, like our video, and follow us.